How to fix Google Chrome slow or lagging. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix the slow or lagging problem on your Google Chrome browser. So all what you have to do is please keep watching until the end, and I'm sure this problem is going to be fixed 100%. So all what you have to do is go to the top corner right here, click on those three dots as you can see, and then go down to this option of more tools, click on it, and then go right here and click on extensions. Now all what you have to do is make sure that all the extensions that you don't need are disabled like this. Now after you disabled extensions that you don't need, all what you have to do is go back and click again on those three dots, and this time you have to go to the history like this. And now all what you have to do is delete your history like this. Click clear browsing data and choose all time like this, and click clear to make your browser more fast. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching until the end.